A themed space featuring the biodiversity preservation achievements in China's Shanghai was set up on Wednesday at the ongoing United Nations Biodiversity Conference in Montreal, Canada.
Welcome to China Pavilion. It's Shanghai Day today. Facing the Pacific Ocean and located at the coast of the East China Sea and as the estuary of the Yangtze River, Shanghai is China's economic powerhouse. In recent years, the approach of ecology first, green and low carbon development is what Shanghai is pursuing.
上海这个作为一座拥有2500万人口的超大城市，我们在追求这个经济高质量发展和高品质生活的同时呢，这些年来我们更加注重我们的生态保护，特别是生物多样性的保护。就比如说我们背后的这张图，我们可以看到这里就是记录的这个在上海的崇明岛，这个全球候鸟在此栖息和迁徙的一个重要的一环。我们记录到这个有全国1/3的这个鸟类都在上海有发现。
Official data show that between 2016 to 2020, Shanghai had built 20 important wildlife habitats, restored or built nearly 420 hectares of wetlands and wildlife habitats, and set up 6 wildlife sanctuaries.